Globlinker Portable Wi-Fi Review. Is this portable Wi-Fi device worth buying? Need reliable internet while traveling? The Globlinker Portable Wi-Fi is designed to give you a private, wireless connection without needing a traditional physical SIM card. But is it actually worth buying? If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. Globlinker works as a portable 4G LTE hotspot using cloud SIM technology. Instead of inserting a SIM card, the device connects through supported cellular networks, making it convenient for international travel, remote work, road trips, and other situations where public Wi-Fi isn't ideal. The biggest advantage is simplicity. You can connect devices such as smartphones, laptops, and tablets to the hotspot and keep them online through one portable connection. It can also be more convenient than constantly using your phone as a hotspot, especially when you want to preserve your phone's battery. Battery life is another useful feature, with the manufacturer advertising long-lasting operation depending on usage. However, actual battery life can vary based on network conditions. There are some important limitations. Globlinker still depends on cellular coverage, so speeds and reliability can change, depending on your location and network conditions. You also need a suitable data plan, and the cost of mobile data should be considered before buying. So, is it worth it? For frequent travelers, remote workers, and anyone who regularly needs internet for multiple devices, Globlinker can be a convenient option. But if you only need occasional portable internet, using your smartphone's hotspot may be simpler and cheaper. Overall, the main appeal is the convenient SIM-free setup and portability. Just check the available data plans and network coverage for your destinations before purchasing. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know your thoughts in the comments.